Yo, what's up, man?
Yo, I'm here for the shed tour.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. Come on
Let's
in, man.
go.
Welcome, man.
Thank you, man.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Barber Jase. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. So we're switching it up today. In today's video we're doing a shed tour, MTV crib style. So this is the barbershop. This is the Barber Jase shed. This is where it's going off. But anyway, let's get straight into the video. So here in my garden I got a log cabin which is 4 by 3 meters in size. It's made out of wood and timber, and the walls have a thickness of 42 millimeters, which keeps it nice and warm in the winters with a small heater. But in the summer it does get hot. The roof is made out of felt, and it has survived 3.5 years of terrible British weather, but it's still going strong, solid. The colour I painted it is called silver grey, keeping it quite simple. We're going with a grey theme. And I got a little bench outside for any customers that are waiting, they can chill. But yeah, this is where I cut hair, this is where the magic happens, nothing special in the garden. But let's go inside and check it out. Through the doors on the left I got a TV, I got one of my ring lights and my PS4 on the shelf. I'm not really a gamer, I'm not very good at playing games, but if anyone wants to challenge me, NBA 2K, bring it. And under that I got my iVac hair vacuum. I think every barber should have one of these. Saves you from using your dustpan and brush and mashing up your back. You know, us barbers, we need to look after our body, especially our back. But yeah, the TV's 50 inches, it does the job. I don't really use it, but I might have some football on weekends. Next to the TV I got my whiteboard. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe whilst you're here. But yeah, this is like my notice board. I use it to write reminders, any messages for clients, like if I'm not working on certain dates. Got the Wi-Fi password, also a few family pictures which keeps me motivated, and a few other things to remind me of good memories. So in between the mirror and the whiteboard I got the barber pole, which sets a nice mood and gives it a nice ambient light in the dark. Anyone watching this that knows what the barber pole stands for, what the colours represent, I want you to write down in the comment section for the people that don't know. But yeah, every barbershop needs a barber pole. But I need to fix my one stopped spinning. But moving on, underneath that I got a radiator which keeps it nice and warm during the winter. Next to that I got a full length mirror, 2 meters high. It cost about £100 from IKEA. The mirror is very important, make sure you keep it nice and clean. I like the full length as the client can see himself from head to toe. So over here we have the toolbox where I keep all my tools, scissors, clippers and all that stuff. I highly recommend a toolbox. If you're limited with space, you got loads of different drawers and compartments to keep all your stuff. I try and keep it clean and organized, perfect if you can't build a proper worktop. And it only costs around £100. If you search up mechanics toolbox on Google, you will find loads. This is where I spend most of my time, standing next to the toolbox. So I got another ring light there. It is definitely a game changer having a ring light. I think it cost me about a pinky from Amazon, 50 quid, 50 British pounds. As you can see, I like a bit of cable management. I've got cable ties to keep my cables nice and clean so they're not on the floor, but they're long enough to still charge my clippers. A little barber hack for you guys, if your cables are always messy and tangled up. So here's my station, my setup, my money makers. Make sure you watch my previous video where I show you my setup, show you exactly what tools I use. Also got a couple shelves where I keep all my products, sprays and other essentials that I need. Mounted onto the wall, I've got a hairdryer holder which fits my Dyson nicely. Over here we have the barbershop speaker, the Harman Kardon. It's got Google Assist built in. It's nice to have a good set of speakers in a barbershop. The music keeps us going throughout the day, and it sets a nice mood and atmosphere to the shop. Also, clients can request certain songs. It's all connected to Spotify. The speakers are also connected to Google Home, where I can control all the lights, the colors, and other devices around the shed and even inside my house. It's good I can turn on my heater as soon as I get up, so when I go to work, my shop is already nice and warm. This is what the shed looks like at night when all the lights are off. Just a reminder, you see them 3 words on a whiteboard, make sure you do it. I hope you're liking this video so far. It's a little bit different to what I do normally, but hopefully this will inspire you to make your own setup. It's definitely one of the best things I decided to do. So over here I've got the bookshelf, and as you can see I've got the Kobe jersey hanging up. I've got things in the shed that keeps me inspired and motivated, and Kobe, he was definitely a big inspiration when growing up, like his mentality, his work ethic, the way he worked on his craft and did everything he could to become the best. RIP Kobe. Over here I've got currency from all around the world, given from clients, places that I've been. Like this video if you can see your currency there. Got a couple books, Shaping Up Culture from Slider Cuts. And moving over to the shelves, it's a bit empty right now because we're currently in lockdown. I'm not doing haircuts, so I need to top it up, get some more products, some more drinks. 12th of April, all my clients, we're gonna have a shop. Over here I got my barbering qualification, my MVQ level 2. I went to London School of Barbering. 2015, 6 years ago, is when I decided to dedicate my life to barbering. I'm 28 now, so I started cutting when I was 22. It's actually mad how fast 6 years has gone by. Over here I got my assessor's qualification. I got this when I was teaching at London School of Barbering. This basically allows me to assess students to make sure they're at a certain standard. I was educating at LSB for about 3 years. Shout out to everyone I used to work with, big up to you lot, and a big shout out to all my ex-students. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. I recorded this on my phone, so my bad if the quality is not as good. My cameraman is out at the moment. Man like Derek, get well soon, speedy recovery. Below the shelves I've got some mirrors, which definitely opens up the room, makes it look a little bit bigger. Also, the clients can check themselves out after the haircut. And of course I've got a seating area, a leather sofa. Cost me 250 quid from eBay. Leather, so it's nice and easy to clean. I also forgot to mention my barber chair. I got it from eBay, cost me about £500. It's like a fake Belmont. I call it the Felmont chair. But it's nice, it does the job. It's got a nice little diamond cut leather in it. Shout out to Gartel's Barber who inspired me to build this shed. But that is it, I've gone through everything in my shed. If you guys got any questions, put it down in the comments. But I hope this inspires you to build your own shed or setup. But right now I've got some pictures to show you how I built the shed. Little progress pictures. This is what I did, from rags to riches, from nothing to something. Stay fresh, stay faded, stay safe. It's your boy Barber Jase, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Google, what's my name?
Your name is Barber Jase, the chopstick master.